Dungeons and Coffee presents Aha Tips.
Toilet paper, paper towel, things like that on top of that glue for texture, so it'll all match this. Just want to show up close this little tip here, some words of advice, so I can save you some trouble. The toilet paper tears too easily, and when it gets wet, it's very good for shaping into smooth shapes, but we're going with the desert sand, the adobe, the sandstone look. So I found that the paper towel, when applied for the same reason, in the same way, is much more suited to the texture. I've taken care of those open edges. This was double corrugated, so I took but I cut it at a slant, and normally the best thing to use for that might be wood or styrofoam, but of course I didn't have enough of either, so I used cardboard. But I toughened up the edges by sticking glue on there and putting some paper towels around the edge. And when that dries, it's really hard, and that protects the edge really good. You can make that really good, and it's going to turn out great. It's still going to end up okay. So I just wanted to show that. And this was not planned, but the part of the cardboard I used to make the vase had this handhold in it from the box that I used, and it was perfect. I'm going to start doing all of my bases for buildings with a hole in the bottom, because it worked out great, because you can put your hand under there and hold it like a palette as you're working with it, with the glue or the paint or what have you. So that was just a little accidental benefit that I thought I would share. It's a pretty good idea. I'm going to start doing that in the future.
Remember, keep your books off the table and keep reaching for the dice.